Hi, this is Ken now. Now I want to share with you the PowerPoint, right? It used to be like this, right? It's really just point, it's for the bullet point. So I have a title here, and then there is a AIDA, right? So it's AIDA. So a point, right? Can always use animations. I can use in the animations. I can click appear, so it's all in one slide, right? Just take a look and see that it's all okay. So one point, so that is one way. Now you can further improve this into you can put some color there, but still none of this beat the next one. Let's look at that. Yeah, so we can have the AIDA and so on, right? So how about this one? What capture attention? And then we have this and this and this and this. Okay, so we're going to talk about how to create this, right? Let's come back to the earlier one. So go here. Okay, now from this slide to this slide, right? How different is that, right? You can go to first of all, you can just highlight this or just right click and then go for convert smart art. Okay, so there is options like this. So this is really good. The thing is that the triangle is inverted. How do you change that? So we can go to the smart art design. Okay, and you can see on the layout there's one item that is just nice for you, right? Just go for this. I see that, right? This is just nice. Okay, I'll just choose that. And then the next is that we can adjust this. Okay, and you can adjust this also. Okay, we can always adjust this over here, and that is pretty good. And we can go for the new color, and then here if you don't want to be all the time the same color, you can change also, right? And I want to change this color to white. I want to change that also to white, but before that, let's just go for the all the one. Go to the, here you can change the color to this one, maybe this one, maybe this one, which one you like, right? You can be in grayscale. Okay, there's many colors like, right? So I choose for this, and then now you can change the color, or you get smart art style as well, right? Take a look. There are vertical, whichever you like. Many options. Okay, it's style, a bit styling, right? All right. Let's just go for that, right? Let's change a little bit every time, right? Then change that white. So right here and go here and go here. Okay, so everything of this will be adjusted. Okay. Okay, so next one is that if I play here, now it just show all at once. So that cannot capture attention, right? And it's still full of data here. So what we can do is that we select this smart art object, right? And then go to the animations, and we choose appear. Now it can be also float in. Float is also pretty nice, right? It's just that now it show everything in one go. You can see that, right? So that is also defeat the purpose of creating attention, right? So we go to effect options, right? You can go for one by one. Okay, one by one. You can see that. So now this is controlled by on click. Okay, so we can go for this. Okay, so what capture attentions? We have A, then you can explain that. Then after that, you go to the next point, I, and go to D, and go to A. So which one you like? Now finally, you can, the background is white color, so that may or may not capture your attention. So you can actually right click on the this background and then click format background, and over here choose picture, choose insert, go for stock image, and you look for the one that's suitable for you, right? So I can go for something attention, right? Let's see if we can have that. No, that's not really get your attention, so we can use a digital. Maybe I go for maybe I can go for this one. Okay, once capture the attention, or maybe yeah, maybe this one also can, right? So pick one of them, you can see that it will change the color. So if I go for this one, now I have what capture attention? A I D A. So beautiful, right? So now I can also go for transparency. Okay. Okay, you can see that there's a gradient. There's a if you want to have gradient, you can, right? See, that is beautiful. That is really beautiful, right? So go for gradients, right? There is a transparency. So I have choose that already. So we go for another one. So now let's just try again, right? So what capture attention? All right, very nice. So once you have this, if you are converting to a video, you can always go to the recording tab and then go for audio and look for an audio file, and you can click on that, choose options that you like. So we have this one now. Go if you want to play the music right on the spot, right? You can click play in background, and remember that you want to change the volume to low, and you can do some trimming if you want, or you can do a fade in, fade out, right? So once you have that, you can start talking about start that. Now you can go to recording tab again, and then click record slideshow. Click record slideshow, record from the current slideshow, and then you can. So camera is not on because I'm using the another software. So you can just click on the record button and you start capturing the things. Yeah. So what capture attention? There's a music. What capture attention? What capture attention? We play for a while, stop for a while, and then you can start playing that. Click on it. Now you can tell your story. A, attention. I, interest. D, desire. A, actions. And that's it. Now once you finish that, you can stop it and you can actually play again. So you just stop it, right? If you don't like it, you can just click record again. That's it. So once you finish it, you can go for close. And finish it, then you can go to click export the video and click a name and then save the file. And that's it. This is how you create a video, right? Just by using PowerPoint. How amazing is that? Thank you for Microsoft PowerPoint team and a lot of input from the world. So more on it. You can create the next video just by using PowerPoint. And God bless you.